Dear students, we are handling the topic inverse trigonometric functions. In the topic inverse trigonometric functions, This is day 15 part 2. In the topic inverse trigonometric functions, day 15 part 2. Let us discuss the previous JEE mains questions in level 3. Of course, in previous class we handled level 2 classwork 1 to 21 bits. Total 35 bits are there. Okay, first of all let us finish these previous JEE questions, important questions and IIT questions also. Page number 10116. After completion of these courses, I will go for level 2. Page 116. 32 question. From 32 question onwards until 40 questions, there are previous JEE mains questions and IIT question also. If we consider only the principal value of inverse trigonometric function, then the value of tan of, we should calculate the value of tan of cos inverse 1 by 5 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2 given there. Change the print mistake. 1 by 5 root 2 minus sin inverse 4 by root 17. He given that this is depends upon only domain according to principal values of the trigonometric functions. So depends upon the domain and range you should calculate. So tan of cos inverse 1 by root 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 4 by root 7 he given. Let cos inverse of 1 by 5 root 2 is equal to A. So cos A is equal to 1 by 5 root 2. Draw a right angle triangle. Cos meaning adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is 1, this is 5 root 2. So 50, if we square, it becomes 50. 50 minus 1, so 49. This is 7. This is 7. So according to this triangle, tan A is equal to 7. Tan A is equal to 7. A is equal to tan inverse 7. A equal to tan inverse 7. Now let sin inverse of 4 by root 17. Sin inverse of 4 by root 17 equal to B. So sin B is equal to 4 by root 17. Sin B is equal to 4 by root 17. So sin means opposite by hypotenuse. This is 4, this is root 17. This becomes 1. Now you calculate tan B is equal to 4. That implies to find out the value tan inverse of 7. Tan inverse of 7 minus tan inverse of 4. Apply the formula tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. So 7 into 4. 3. Tan inverse get cancelled. 3 by 29 is the right answer. 3 by 29. Option 4th one. Now 33rd question. That is an IPE sum. IPE important question also. 4 marks IMP question. But in this academic year that chapter deleted. But for object it is important. The value of tan inverse of square root of 1 plus x square plus square root of 1 minus x square whole by root of 1 plus x square whole by root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square. Put x square is equal to cos 2 theta. X square is equal to cos 2 theta. depends upon this x square equal to cos theta to theta substitution. We have done derivatives sum. Try yourself using this one. Already derivatives IMP 7 mark sum we have calculated. I am giving a shortcut for this one. Put x is equal to 1. So tan inverse of root 1 plus 1 root 2 plus root 2 2 root 2. 2 root 2 by 1 plus 1 root 2 minus root 2 0. So 2 root 2 by 0. If you put x equal to 0, it is so better. X equal to 0, so 1, root 1 plus 1, 2 by 0, anything. This is the tan inverse infinity. Tan inverse infinity becomes pi by 2. So verify first option. Verify option 1, that is pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 cos inverse of x square. Whenever you are thinking cos 2 theta, x square equal to cos theta, this is cos inverse of cos 2 theta. 2 theta, 2 to get cancelled, it is theta. So in this theta becomes cos inverse x square model. You can calculate doing that method. This is shortcut method I am discussing with you. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into cos inverse of x meaning 0. Cos inverse of x meaning 0. So cos inverse 0 meaning pi by 2. So this is pi by 2 plus pi by 2 into 1 by 2 becomes pi by 4. So it is pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2. Pi by 2 is correct option. Verified here. So option 1 is correct option. Now 34. 34 very easy question. He given an online exam. But answer is wrong. F of x is equal to given as 2 tan inverse x directly. 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x plus sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Then find f of 5. That is equal to 2 tan inverse x plus this direct formula 2 tan inverse x. Already we have discussed the formula. By putting x is equal to tan theta, you will be getting this one. Sine inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So sine inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta becomes sine inverse of sine 2 theta. It is 2 theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse x. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse x is 4 tan inverse x. He is asking f of 5. This is find. To find the value, f of 5 is equal to 4 tan inverse 5. That's all. The given option is second option pi. It is wrong. This is simply, this is only right. In online exam 2016 and 2017, easy questions they given. Now let us discuss 35th question. 35th question. Cos inverse of 2 by 3x. Cos inverse of 2 by 3x plus cos inverse of 3 by 4x. Yes, 3 by 4x equal to pi by 2. Then what is the value of x? Let us consider this one as cos inverse of 2 by 3x is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse of 3 by 4x. Pi by 2 minus cos inverse of 3 by 4x. We know the formula sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. This is the formula cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. So cos inverse of 2 by 3x is equal to pi by 2 minus, okay, pi by 2 minus, reverse you can write. Anything, no problem. Sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. So this is sin inverse 3 by 4x we can write. So cos inverse of 2 by 3x formula sin inverse 3 by 4x. And another formula is there. Sin inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of root of 1 minus x square. Formula according to cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta, sin theta equal to root of 1 minus cos theta concept. That implies cos inverse of 2 by 3x is equal to cos inverse of root of 1 minus 9 by 16x square. Now cos inverse both sides, applying cos, then it will be getting cancelled like this. You should not get cancelled like this. Now it becomes 2 by 3x is equal to square root of 1 minus 9 by 16x square. Now let us do squaring both sides. So it becomes 4 by 9x square is equal to 1 minus 9 by 16x square. That minus 9 by 16x square taken this side, 1 by x square taking common, 4 by 9 plus 9 by 16 I am writing is equal to 1. Taking LCM 16 for the 64 plus 9 9 there 81. 81 plus 64, 145. 145 by 144x square. 145 by 144x square equal to 1. Therefore, x square is equal to 144 by 145 by 144. 145 by 144. So x is asking square root of 145 by 12. That's all. X is equal to square root of 145 by 12. Third option. Now 36th question. X is equal to sin inverse of sin 10 plus y is equal to cos inverse of cos 10. X equal to sin inverse of sin 10, comma, y is equal to cos inverse of cos 10. So many times we have discussed 10 meaning 10 radians, not degrees. So don't write directly 10. 10 meaning 10 radians, so 10 into 57 degrees, 16 minutes approximately I am writing 10 into 57 degrees. This is 570 degrees. So x is equal to sin inverse of sin 570. You can write this one as sin inverse of sin 360 plus 180 plus 30. 360 plus 180 plus 30. Sin 360 means, of course, this is 0, 0 plus 180 plus 30 minus sin 30. Yes, you can write this one as minus 30 degrees directly. Because the domain of sin inverse x is between minus pi by 2, pi by 2 closed interval. Minus 30 is right. So keep aside. Now, already we have discussed this sum in level 2 or level 1. Now 3 pi minus 10 I am verifying. So what is 3 pi? 3 into 180 minus 10 meaning here 570 degrees. So 3 into 180, 540, 540 minus 570, this is minus 30 degrees is right. So x value we got as 3 pi minus 10. In the similar way, we should think about y. Y is equal to cos inverse of cos 10. For this one also 10 meaning 10 radians, 570 degrees. So cos inverse of cos 570 can be written as, of course like this we can write, but whenever you are writing this one as, then you will be getting cos inverse of cos of 360 plus 180 plus 30 minus 30 you will get. But according to range of cos inverse x, 0 comma pi should be exist. Between 0 comma pi only the value should be exist. So 0 comma pi meaning 0 to 180 degrees, negative should not write. So we should think in that positive way between 0 and 180. So cos inverse cos, right, like this. This is 720 minus 150. Yes, it is right. 720 minus 150 becomes 570. So that is equal to cos inverse of cos of 720 meaning 0, 0 minus 150. Of course, cos of minus theta cos theta. So cos inverse of cos theta you can write theta, here it is 150. Yes, that's all. 150 degrees you can write because between 0 and pi. Okay, no, so verifying that equal to 4 pi minus 10 I am writing. Pi's are meaning 4 into pi meaning 180 degrees minus 10 meaning 570. 720 minus 570, 150. So this is true. That therefore y is equal to, you can confirm that 4 pi minus 10. Now to find out y minus x. Y minus x is equal to 4 pi minus 10 minus 3 pi plus 10, because it is 3 pi minus 10 minus of minus. Minus 10 plus pi 10 get cancelled. 4 pi minus 3 pi is equal to pi. This is the correct value. Not only in this 2019 he given, not only in 2019 but also in previous MSET, previous AIEEE also given question. This is important question. Now 37th one. 37th question. The set of values of, this is also multi-conceptual question. Cot of sigma n is equal to 1 to 19, cot inverse of 1 plus 2p. Sigma n is equal to 1 to 19. Sigma n is equal to 1 to 19. Sigma n is equal to 1 to 19. Cot inverse of 1 plus sigma p is equal to 1 to n 2p. 2p. So that is equal to cot of sigma n is equal to 1 to 19, cot inverse of 1 plus, apply here p is equal to 1 to n. So 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus so on until 2 into n. So it becomes 2 taken common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on until n. That is equal to cot of sigma n is equal to 1 to 19, cot inverse of 1 plus, observe the formula here, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on, n is the n into n plus 1 by 2 formula. So 2 into n plus 1 by 2. So these two and these two get cancelled, n into n plus 1. So that is equal to cot of sigma n is equal to 1 to 19, cot inverse of, here I am writing as n square plus n plus 1. Now apply the formula, cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. Why sir? We are having a formula tan inverse 1 by, we can convert cot inverse n square plus n plus 1 into tan inverse terms and we can get a formula. Let us try. Tan inverse, that is equal to tan inverse of 1 by n square plus n plus 1. This can be written as, that is equal to tan inverse of n plus 1 minus n whole by n plus 1 minus n whole by 1 plus n plus 1 into n. Try to understand this one. N get cancelled, this is 1, but here 1 plus n square plus n plus 1. Here this can be applied as tan inverse x plus y minus x minus y by 1 plus xy concept to tan inverse n plus 1 minus tan inverse n. Now we can apply cot of sigma n is equal to 1 to 19. This is, I am writing tan inverse of n plus 1 minus tan inverse of n. Tan inverse of n plus 1 minus tan inverse of n. That is equal to cot of, apply like this, sigma n is equal to 1 to like this. So tan inverse, first of all here 1 you substitute, 1 plus 1 becomes 2 minus tan inverse 1 plus 1 already we have applied. Apply 2, tan inverse 2 plus 1 3 minus tan inverse 2 plus so on, at last tan inverse 19. So tan inverse 20 minus tan inverse 19. Tan inverse 20 minus tan inverse 19. Just you can understand if you are taking the two terms, tan inverse 2 minus 1, until here. Tan minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, last minus tan inverse 1. So last large number tan inverse 20 minus tan inverse 1 will remain. So that is equal to cot of the last numbers, tan inverse 20 minus tan inverse 1 will be remaining. Apply the formula here, cot of tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. So this is 20 minus 1 by 1 plus 20. So this is 19 by 21. 19 by 21. But here we need cot of cot inverse. Cot of cot inverse 21 by 19. Cot of cot inverse get cancelled. So answer is 21 by 19. Good question. Third option. Cot inverse cot of 21 by 19. 37 completed. Now let us discuss about 38th question. 38th one. All x satisfying inequality cot inverse x whole square minus 7 cot inverse x whole square minus 7 cot inverse x. Cot inverse x whole square minus 7 cot inverse x plus 10 greater than 0. Plus 10 greater than 0 lies in the interval. Let us write this one as y. Let y equal to cot inverse x. So y square minus 7y plus 10 greater than 0. That implies we can write this one as y minus 2 into y minus 5 greater than 0. Greater than 0 equal to only greater than 0 is given. That meaning y does not belongs to closed interval 2 comma 5. That implies y less than 2 comma y greater than 5. That implies what is y we thought? Y meaning cot inverse x. Cot inverse x less than 2. Cot inverse x less than 2 comma cot inverse x greater than 5. Cot inverse x less than 2 comma cot inverse x greater than 5. That meaning cot inverse x belongs to minus infinity comma to open interval. Union 5 comma infinity open interval. This is the position of cot inverse x. But let us see the question. All x satisfying the inequality. But depends upon cot inverse x domain. What is the value of range, cot inverse x range, whether it exists or not, let us verify. Let us write range of cot inverse x. 0 comma pi open interval is equal to open interval 0 comma pi. So pi meaning 3.14. So it should not exceed 3.14. So no need of 5 comma infinity. So cancel the options 5 comma infinity. So 5 meaning no 5 should not be, only first option. This you can understand as cot inverse x belongs to simply minus infinity comma 2. Of course 0 also negative should not be. Cot inverse x belongs to, now you write like this, 0 comma 2. So x belongs to, apply here, x belongs to cot 0 comma cot 2. X belongs to cot 0 comma cot 2. X belongs to cot 0 means infinity, cot 2. Any interval should start with a small number only. So cot 2 first of all you should write, and x belongs to cot 2 comma infinity is the correct answer. You should not consider this one. Now 38 completed. 39th question. In 39th question also somewhat print mistake answer mistake is there. Consider only one principal values of inverse function, the set. Consider the only the principal values of the function. Set A is equal to x greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0 given, x greater than or equal to 0, tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x. Tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. Tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. That's all. Consider only one principal value of inverse. Only the principal value. So where the principal value exists. Let us consider tan inverse 2x plus 3x. X greater than 0 he given. Maybe 1 by 2, 1 by 3 like that, or 1, 2 like that also we can think. Okay, let us write as a formula, general formula, let us consider a tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy concept. Tan inverse here 2x plus 3x by 1 minus 6x square is equal to pi by 4. So that implies 5x by 1 minus 6x square equal to 1 by 1. Taking cross multiplication, 5x is equal to 1 minus 6x square. So apply the formula like this. 6x square taken this side. 6x square plus 5x minus 1 equal to 0. So 6x square plus 6x minus x minus 1 equal to 0. 6x taken common, x plus 1 minus 1 taken common, x plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 comma x equal to 1 by 6. If given x is greater than 0, so negative you should not consider. This is no. So only one value exists. Only one value. If he is asking about set singleton set, you should write this one as a singleton set. It is a singleton set. Option 4 is right answer, but he given as contains 2 elements. 39 question he given first option, but it is wrong. If he did not give about x, then we should consider negative also. Then it is right answer. If he did not discuss about x, it is multiple concept advanced question. It is a singleton set and containing 2 elements. Now 40th question. F of x is equal to students, here print mistake is there. This is not f of x, this is f dash x derivative. F dash x is equal to tan inverse of, this is IMP question, multi-concept question. Tan inverse of secant x plus tan x. Tan inverse of secant x plus tan x given minus pi by 2 less than x less than pi by 2. And f of 0 is equal to 0. F of 0 equal to 0 given. Find. We should calculate f of 1 is equal to how much? F of 1 is equal to dash. Now, we know that I am writing directly. We know that secant x plus tan x is equal to tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Secant x plus tan x equal to tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. How, sir? Already we have proved. 1 by cos x, sin x by cos x, 1 plus sin x by cos x. For 1 you take cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Denominator cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Numerator becomes cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Denominator becomes cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Get cancel, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, 1 plus cos x by 2, 1 plus like this you can write, divide with the sin x by 2, you will be getting like this. Already have proved. Now tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 is equal to f of x. No, f dash x. F dash x is equal to here x by 2 plus pi by 4. F of 0 he given. Now you write integrating both sides. Integrating both sides. So integral f dash x dx. Integral x f dash x dx equal to 1 by 2 integral x dx plus pi by 4 integral 1 dx. So that is equal to x square by 4 because x integration x square by 2 plus this is pi by 4 1 integration x plus c. F dash x integration f of x. Put x is equal to 0. Why? Because he given the f of 0 answer is 0. Put f equal to x equal to 0, it becomes 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 0 plus c, it is 0. Therefore, c equal to 0. So don't bother about the value integration constant c. C equal to 0. Therefore, whenever c equal to 0, we confirm that f of x value x square by 4 plus pi by 4 x. Now, f of x we confirmed. F of 1 he is asking. F of 1, substitute 1 here. So this is 1 by 4 plus pi by 4. 1 by 4 plus pi by 4. Therefore, pi plus 1 whole by 4 is correct answer. Fourth option. Pi plus 1 whole by 4 is correct answer. Okay, students. Previous JEE mains questions we have completed. Just only among this level 3 one, first question is IMP, repeated MSET question. Let us discuss that one. First one, cos inverse 41 by 49. Level 3 first question. Level 3. Level 3 first question, cos inverse of 41 by 49. Cos inverse of 41 by 49 by sin inverse 2 by 7. Sin inverse 2 by 7. Cos inverse of 41 by, so he is asking the value. Cos inverse, let us write the formula. Cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus 2x square. Cos inverse of 1 minus 2x square is equal to 2 sin inverse x. Yes, let us write like this. 2 sin inverse x. So verify, because denominator sin inverse is there, then numerator cos inverse is there. We should change the value as 2 sin inverse 2 by 7. I am verifying, students. So 2 sin inverse 2 by 7 by sin inverse 2 by 7. So this is, if it is get cancelled, answer 2, let us verify. If we are getting the answer same as 41 by 49, it is right. 1 minus 2 into 4 by 49 whole by sin inverse 2 by 7. This is 49 minus 8 becomes 41. Yes, exactly. We got the value. Cos inverse 41 by 49 whole by sin inverse 2 by 7. So that is equal to 2 is the right answer. Verified. Third option. Okay, students, so let us go for level 2. Now, from last, I say level 2, 35 question. Level 2, 35 question, tan inverse of 1 by 1 plus, tan inverse of 1 by 1 plus 1 into 2. Tan inverse of 1 by 1 plus 1 into 2. Next one, tan inverse of 1 by 1 plus 2 into 3 maybe. Yeah. 2 into 3 plus so on plus tan inverse of 1 by 1 plus n minus 1 into n. This is equation. Tan inverse, think right like this. 2 minus 1 by 1 plus 2 into 1 plus tan inverse 3 minus 2 by 1 plus 3 into 2 plus so on tan inverse n minus of n minus 1 by 1 plus n into n minus 1. Formula tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So write like this, tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1 plus next tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 2 plus so on like this. Last number, tan inverse n minus tan inverse n minus 1. Tan inverse 2 get cancelled like this. Last number, if you are taking two numbers like this, large minus first, so that is equal to tan inverse n minus tan inverse 1. Again he given this one as tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy concept. Tan inverse of n minus y by 1 plus n, given as n plus 1. 35, fourth option. Now 34. The ascending order of minimum values of function of r equal to minimum values he is asking. Minimum values. Minimum values of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. Minimum values of the function. Put the name as p. And tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Put that one name as q. Next one, cot inverse x plus secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x. Secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x. Put the number as r. The ascending order of minimum values of the function. So minimum value we should substitute. Common domain embedded for all the inverse trigonometric functions. Common domain is equal to minus 1 comma 1. So substitute minus 1 comma 1. P is equal to sin inverse of minus 1 plus cos inverse of minus 1. Sin inverse of minus 1 meaning minus pi by 2. This is plus pi. So pi by 2. Next q is equal to tan inverse of minus 1 plus cot inverse of minus 1. Tan inverse of minus 1 is minus pi by 4. Cot inverse of minus x formula pi minus cos inverse x. Pi minus cot inverse x. So 3 pi by 4. This is 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 4, pi by 2. Same value should not be. Sin inverse of minus 1 minus pi by 2. Pi minus pi by 2 we got tan inverse of minus 1. Just wait, same value should not be get. Cos inverse minus 1 meaning pi. Print mistake is there. Here it should be minus. This is okay. So this is minus. Now put here minus. So this is minus 3 pi by 2. Minus 3 pi by 2. Okay. Next, tan, it is okay. Next, r is equal to secant inverse of minus 1 plus cosecant inverse of minus 1. Secant inverse of minus 1 meaning 0. No, pi. Secant 180 equal to minus 1. In the similar way, this is minus pi by 2. So this is pi by 2. He is asking minimum value according to ascending order of minimum values. So ascending order means small to big. Ascending order, which is small p. Secant inverse minus 1 plus. This is also again same we got. Let us see the mistake. P value, Q value, okay. R also secant inverse minus cosecant inverse. Secant inverse minus cosecant inverse. So pi minus half minus pi. This is 3 pi by 2. So small to big. P comma Q comma R. Option, first option 34. P R Q second option is given. Let us verify. Sin inverse minus 1 minus cos inverse minus 1 minus 3 pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Tan inverse minus 1 s cot inverse minus 1 3 pi by 4 3 pi minus pi 2 pi by 4 it is pi by 2, right? Tan inverse minus 1 tan inverse of minus 1, right? Minus 1 meaning minus pi by 4, because tan inverse of minus x plus cot inverse of minus x, pi minus cot inverse x, so pi minus pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, right? Let us see this one. Okay, no problem. So which is a small to big, we got here PQR. Let us see here, cosecant inverse of minus 1 means minus pi by 2, minus of minus pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, so PQR. PRQ he given may be wrong. Okay, 33rd question. 33. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z equal to 3 pi by 2. Then sigma x power 201 sigma x power 201 plus y power 201 whole by x power 603 plus y power 603 into x power 402 plus y power 402 by x power 804 plus y power 804. You don't bother about all these large numbers, because sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z equal to 3 pi by 2 given. So let us think as pi by 2 plus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. So shortcut is put x equal to 1, y equal to 1, z equal to 1, everything 1. Then sin inverse 1 pi by 2 plus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 is right. So that is equal to sigma, this is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. 2 by 2 1, 2 by 2 1, 1 into 1 equal to 1. So in triangle he should give. In triangle, so of course it is trigonometry. Then you can understand sigma 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 concept. In triangle is sin inverse 1 plus 1. It is triangle is wrong. Triangle should not give. But you can understand here sigma 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here 1, 2, 3 he given. 1, 2, 3 like this. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 answer 3 is right answer. Fourth option. Now 32nd question. 32nd question. Let A be the domain of 1 by square root of minus x square plus 3x. A is a domain. For this function, A is domain. We know that the square root which is in denominator is always greater than 0. So minus x square plus 3x greater than 0. So x square minus 3x less than 0. Right, like this, x into x minus 3 less than 0. X belongs to open interval 0, 3. This is the domain. Domain equal to A. A be the domain. Domain equal to A. A be the domain of this one he asked. So what is, if lambda is length of this set, so domain A equal to 0, 3. Lambda equal to length. So length equal to upper minus lower equal to 3 minus 0 equal to 3. Options everything given wrong, students. 3. You correct the question. Now 31st question. This is an important IPE sum once upon a time. Cos inverse x minus cos inverse y by 2. Cos inverse x minus cos inverse y by 2 is equal to cos inverse x minus cos inverse y by 2 is equal to alpha n 4x square minus 4xy cos alpha. 4x square minus 4xy cos alpha plus y square is asking, plus y square. Put shortcut I am writing. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Otherwise sum, let this be x like this cos inverse, apply cos both sides. lengthy sum should do. X equal to 0. So cos inverse 0 minus cos inverse 1 by 2 is equal to alpha. So cos inverse 0 meaning 90 degrees minus cos inverse 1 by 2 meaning 60 degrees. So it is 30 degrees. Keep aside alpha equal to 30 degrees. Now apply here 4x square means 4 into 0 minus, of course this is 0 because 0 to anything. That is why I thought x equal to 0 here. Plus y square meaning 1 here. So answer only 1. Now verify 4 sine square alpha. 4 sine square alpha. That is 4 sine square 30 degrees. Alpha mean how much? 30. 4 into sine square 30. Sine 30 value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4. So 4 by 4 becomes 1. So verified the 4 sine square alpha, second option. Now 30th question. Question. Value of sine inverse of sine 12. Sine inverse of sine 12 plus sine inverse of cos 12. Sine inverse of sine 12 plus sine inverse of cos 12. 12 meaning 12 radians. 12 means 12 radians. 12 into 57 degrees. So 12 7s are 84, 8 to 12 5s are 60, 68. 684 degrees. 684 degrees. Verify this one as already previously we have done sine cos reverse. So verify 12 minus 4 pi. Verify 12 minus 4 pi. 12 meaning this one. Students, this can be understood as sine inverse of sine of 684 meaning 360 plus 324. 360 plus 270 plus 54. 360 plus 324. No, 344. So let us write. 360 plus 324 is right. Now 684. Let us write next question. It is 0 sine inverse of. Again for sine, this can be written as 360 minus 324. This is 4, this is 36. 36. Sine inverse of sine 360 minus theta minus 36. So minus 36. Keep aside. Now 12 minus 4 pi I am verifying. 12 means 12 radians 684 minus this is 720. Yes, it is minus 36. But for cos, negative value should not be. For cos I am writing. For sine inverse of cos 12. This is sine inverse of cos 684. Sine inverse of cos 360 plus until it is okay. Better to write 720 minus 684. Same concept. So 4 pi minus 12, it is better because 720 meaning minus 684 concept like this. Negative should not be. Sine cos of minus theta is cos theta. Yes, but sine inverse you can write. So this is 4 pi minus 12 is right. Now 12 minus 4 pi plus 4 pi minus 12 is the right answer. That is equal to 0. For cos 720 minus 684 becomes cos 684 and cos 684. And in the similar way, if you are already minus also, plus like this plus only you should consider for cos 720 minus 12. This is right. 30th question completed. Let us see 29th question. The least integral value of x for which tan inverse x greater than cot inverse x. Just it is an easy question. You can understand as tan inverse x greater than cot inverse x. Generally, tan inverse x and cot inverse x equal at 1 because tan pi by 4 and cot pi by 4 equal to same value. So 1, the value which is least is asking as tan inverse x is increasing sequence and cot inverse x is decreasing sequence. Tan inverse x graph like this and cot inverse x graph like this. So tan inverse x is increasing sequence and cot inverse x is decreasing sequence. So you can understand the greater than value of 1 is minimum value 2 according to option 2 you can write simply. Now 28th question. 28th question, cos inverse x greater than sin inverse x. Cos inverse x greater than sin inverse x. Cos inverse x greater than sin inverse x. So cos inverse, he asked cos inverse x greater than sin inverse x. We know that cos x is greater than sin x. Cos inverse x is less than sin inverse x. Of course, given. So negative value from 0 to pi by 4 cos x is greater than sin x because cos 9. No. From 0 to pi by 4 cos x is great. In the similar way, you can understand according to option, simply you put the number, verify. One thing you can understand that cos inverse x and sin inverse x are equal to 1 by root 2 value because cos 45 1 by root 2 and sin 45 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 should not be. Two intervals are there. Two options are there. First, third and fourth. If you put verify fourth option, verify fourth option. So cos inverse minus 1 you put here. Cos inverse minus 1 greater than sin inverse minus 1. Cos inverse minus 1 meaning pi greater than sin inverse minus 1 meaning minus pi by 2. Absolutely right. Verified. Fourth option. Next. 27th question. 27th question. 6 sin inverse of 6 sin inverse of x square minus 6x plus 12. 6 sin inverse of x square minus 6x plus 12 is equal to 2 pi. 6 sin inverse of x square minus 6x plus 12 is equal to 2 pi. Then value of x is asking. So x square, let us think. 2 pi is asking. X square minus 6x plus 2. 6 into how much equal to 2 pi? 6 into how much equal to 2 pi meaning 6 into pi by 3. 6 into pi by 3 equal to 2 pi. So x square minus 6x plus 12 equal to root 3 by 2. Not possible. No solution. It is wrong, students. No solution. Does not exist given option 2. Option 2. Okay, students. 26th. Verify. Put minus 1. Tan inverse minus 1 means pi by 4. Minus pi by 4. Cot inverse minus pi by minus 1 means 3 pi by 4. Here minus pi by 4 whole square. Pi square by minus pi by 4 whole square. And like this you write 3 pi by 4 whole square. Pi square plus 9 pi square whole by 16. 10 pi square by 16 is pi square by 8. Like that you think shortcut is there for 23 question. Put a is equal to 1 by root 2 and b is equal to 1 directly. Okay, students, whatever the sums I left you do. Otherwise, if you are having any doubt, you make a call. Otherwise, give a message to me. No problem. Okay, we have completed successfully the inverse trigonometric functions chapter. Let us discuss the chapter heights and distance in next class.